So guys, we finally got some new wheels on the 1 series. As you can see, these are the 18-inch fast mags. So this mags used to be on my BMW M235i, and now it still fits on the same bolt pattern of this E82 128i. They have the same 5x120 bolt pattern. So this mags used to be on my M235i, but now my M235i is riding on the 19-inch TSW mags, as you can see. Also, this one has the stud conversion. You know what, it's very convenient for the BMW to have a stud conversion, especially if you're taking out and removing the wheels all the time. So in today's video, I'm gonna put the stud conversion on the BMW 128i. So I'm gonna do a stud conversion on this car, because as you can see, the bolts on this car are a bit rusted, so it's better to convert to stud conversion. And then after that, I'm gonna install the tuner style lug nuts. It's a 3-piece tuner style lug nuts. So now let's get started. So here are the stud conversion that I'm gonna install today, and also the 3-piece lug nut, the tuner style lug nut. So here we have a 50 millimeter stud conversion. So I went for the smallest one that I can find. I mean the shortest one that I can find, because I'm gonna install a tuner style lug nut. So the tuner style lug nut is a closed lug nut, and this is a 3-piece lug nut. So the bottom part rotates so it doesn't scratch your mags when you're tightening it, and also it has a cover to hide the stud, and also the type of block you have inside. So it's a good looking 3-piece lug nut, and this is what I'm going to be installing today. So when you're installing a closed lug nut, you have to find the shortest stud conversion you can find. So that means you can only install a spacer on this stud conversion, maybe up to maximum 5 millimeter, and that's it. So just be aware. So when you're doing a tuner style lug nuts, you only have to use a short stud conversion, because this is a closed lug nut. But if it's an open lug nut, then you can go for the longest one if you want to put wider spacers on the wheels. You can do that, but for the closed lug nut, you have to go with the shortest stud conversion. So before I install the stud, I want to make sure the holes are clean. So I have the brake cleaner here, so I'm gonna spray all of them. Then I'm gonna spray some air just to blow out all the dirt inside. So now we're ready to install the stud. So to install the stud, I'm gonna put some Loctite, but I'm gonna use the blue Loctite because I want this to be removable in the future. So you can also use the red one, but it's up to you. Me, I just want to use the blue one. I just want to make sure that it's removable. You can thread it by hand, one by one. I'm gonna use my number 5 number 5 hex. Then after that we're gonna torque it to 15 Newton meter. Now we're gonna torque it to 15 Newton meter. Okay, 15 Newton meter. See, with the stud it's easy to mount the wheels. You don't need to look for the holes to align the holes. All you have to do is put it on the stud. That's it. I like this tuner style lug nuts. They look so freaking good. First you want to hand tight them. Then we're gonna torque it down to 85 foot-pounds of torque. So you have to do this in a star pattern. So I'm gonna put the wheel a little bit down so we can have traction and torque the lug nuts. So now I can torque it down to 85 foot-pounds. Okay. So now everything is torqued to 85 foot-pounds. You can start putting back the cap. By the way, the cap comes with a key. So we finished one wheel, now we just have to continue for the 3 more wheels. So guys, changing to a 3-piece tuner style lug nuts really does change the look of the car, especially on your wheels. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.